We are all here, we can say, as innovator provider, trying to show you and demonstrate you what's the power of innovation to bring about positive change, but also inspire action. So what we are doing as the D Factory, we work on a very specific problem for a very specific industry and a very specific sector. We work vertically in the fashion and footwear industry to support brands tracing their supply chain, because today fashion is one of the big polluters worldwide, but with a very low traceability rate. If the main pollution and emissions come from actually the raw material producers, there is no evidence about the material that get to the market, where they come from, who made them, which country, which region, and which is actually the social environmental impact of this product. But how can we even evaluate the impact if we don't know where the product comes from? Let's think about a pair of shoes. 30 different components, more than 200 suppliers. We don't know where they are, we don't know where they're located. So what the D Factory does, we are a supply chain traceability software as a service that supports fashion brands, engaging all their suppliers in the process to collect primary data. We do that through the identification of material with a digital identity that is strictly linked to this specific item from the material to the finished product, and then creating a digital product passport for showing all this information until the final process has been made to the final customers. But why then this solution is relevant? Why you should have a digital product passport on the final item? Today, that's something that is becoming mandatory by law. We are seeing it in Europe with the digital passport legislation that is coming up next year as part of the EU Circular Economy Strategy. But also, we are seeing it with the McKinsey State of Fashion that says that 2 out of 5 top executives plan to adopt a digital product passport by the end of the year. So what's our impact so far? We are already working with over than 15 brands from the PVH group with both Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, Tamaris, Estée Oliver, North Sales, Hugo Boss, Geox, and we're working with a supply chain of more than 600 suppliers worldwide in 22 different countries. So, if you want to support us bringing about a positive change, just come across our stand. We're the number 25, and thank you.